Okay, guys, so today we're going to practice reading and analyzing a topographic map. So the assignment that you have today is 2 pages. We're going to do the first one together, and then you're responsible for completing page 2 that you see over here on the left-hand side. So let's look at this one. So you've got the map here. You've got some text boxes that we're going to fill in, and then you've got your instructions right here. So it says here that number one says the contour interval of this map is 10 meters. And remember, that's how much the elevation changes from one line to the next line. So if they've given us this first line here is 10 and the contour interval is 10, so this line is going to be 20 meters. This line here would be 30 meters. This line here would be 40 meters. And then this line here is going to be 50 meters. This line here is going to be 60 meters. And then this line here is going to be 70 meters. So this point right here, because it's not on a line, it could be higher than 70, but it could not be higher than 80, because if it was higher than 80, we would have another contour line. Okay? So draw a compass for your map. So we're just going to draw an arrow here. So we can go over here to shapes, arrows. Let's go with an up arrow right here. Just draw it like this. And then we'll put a text box right next to it that says capital N. So that's our compass right there. It says label each contour line using the contour interval. Fill in the boxes provided on each contour line. So we've done that already. Number 4, it says label the triangle 77 meters. This is the highest label peak on the map. So here's the triangle. So here's your text box. So this triangle is at a height of 77 meters. Okay, so we've labeled that there. All right, again, lower than 80, but higher than 70 here. Okay. It says on a topographic map when lines are close together, this indicates a steep slope. Place an X where there is a steep slope on this map. So we want to look on the map and find the area where the contour lines are the closest together, because that means that elevation is changing quickly. Okay, and we're going to put an X there. So I've already given you an X over here on the side, so we're just going to drag that X and put that X over here, because this is the steepest side of the mountain. Okay. The next one says, on a topographic map when lines are spaced far apart, this indicates a gentle slope. Place a star where is a gentle slope on this map. So on this map, where the lines are furthest apart is going to be a more gentle slope. So that's going to be over here. Okay, so we're going to take this star and we're going to put it right there. So that's the gentle slope. So if you were climbing this mountain, the easiest way to climb it would be from this direction, okay, because elevation is not changing very fast. So you have a very shallow slope or a gentle slope on this side of the map. Over here, however, it would be more of a challenge. You're still going to get to the same height. Here, you're just going to do it on a much steeper slope on this side of the mountain. Okay. All right, next one. Label point A on the contour map labeled 10 meters. Okay, so we're going to take this A here and we're going to drop it right there at the 10. And then it says label point B 60 meters. So we're going to take B and we're going to put it on the 60 meter line right there. Okay. And then right here it says find the difference in elevation between points A and B. So if I was started here at A and I hiked up to B, the difference in elevation would be 60 minus 10, right? So that would give my change in elevation as being 50 meters, all right? And then number 10 says find the difference in elevation between point A and the highest label point on the map. All right, well, the highest label point on the map is 77. So again, if I started here at A at 10 meters and walked up to this point here, My total difference in elevation would be 77 minus 10. So that would give me an answer of 67 meters. Okay. All right. So we are doing this together just to kind of practice how to read and analyze a topographic map. So your job today, the assignment today is going to be the second page. So you have a topographic map right here. It gives you two different peaks here. It gives you the contour interval right here, so that shows you how elevation changes from one line to the next line. All right, and then you have some questions here that you need to answer. All right, so these are the questions you'll answer. Type your answer into these boxes, and then make sure you submit it. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know.